Enterprise SSO allows you to share user accounts without having to share credentials. In this video, you will learn how to create a shared account for an application. Sharing accounts with Enterprise SSO can be configured in a few steps. Assigning the group to an application. Assigning users who require shared accounts for an application to a group of your Active Directory. I'll be using fake accounts created for this tutorial. I would advise to create a group of users in your Active Directory for this tutorial. Open your EAM console and go to the Account and Access Right Management menu. At the bottom of the list of users, you should find your groups created in Active Directory. Select the group you wish to add your users to. Keep in mind that the group of users chosen must have a purpose to the EAM solution. I have not yet given any to my group trade, so if I try to add users, an unauthorized message appears. Therefore, I am going to authorize access to my Trading World application to the trade group in order to assign users to my group. Go to the application access of your group. In the access window, click on Add and choose your group of users. In the account type field, select Shared. Apply. Now that I have authorized access to this application for my group, I can add users to it. I am going to add 3 users to my group: Tom, Kate, and Barbara. Now let's try our shared account. Back to my workstation, I'll log in with Kate's account. As you can see, the SSO is performed, and I am logged in to my application. I will try doing the same with Tom, and see if I access the same account. So I'll log in to Tom's session, and now I'll open my Trading World application. The ESSO is performed, and I am using the same account as Kate, without knowing the credentials to this application. Now I will try to log in with Barbara, and the SSO is also performed. Users can see the lists of applications that have a shared account in their SSO engine. Here, my Trading World application is tagged as a shared account. Thank you for following this video.